Choosing between a DSLR and a mirrorless camera is a common dilemma for photographers looking to upgrade their gear. In this video, we'll explore the key differences between these two types of cameras, examining their strengths and potential drawbacks. You'll gain a clearer understanding of how each system works and which might best suit your photography needs. By the end, you'll be better equipped to make an informed decision about your next camera purchase. Mirrorless cameras are renowned for their compact and lightweight design, setting them apart from traditional DSLRs. By eliminating the bulky mirror mechanism, these cameras achieve a slimmer profile and reduced weight. This makes them especially appealing to photographers who value portability, whether traveling, hiking, or shooting in urban environments. Carrying a mirrorless camera is less cumbersome, allowing for greater flexibility and ease of movement. As a result, photographers can capture moments more spontaneously without being weighed down by heavy gear. Advanced autofocus technology in mirrorless cameras has revolutionized the way photographers capture fast-moving subjects. These systems utilize sophisticated algorithms and on-sensor phase detection to track subjects with remarkable speed and precision. As a result, even unpredictable motion, such as wildlife or sports, can be captured with sharp clarity. The rapid response and high accuracy of these autofocus systems set mirrorless cameras apart, making them a preferred choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The electronic viewfinder offers a real-time preview of your camera's exposure settings, displaying exactly how your photo will appear before you press the shutter. This live feedback allows photographers to see the effects of changes in aperture, shutter speed, and ISO instantly. By observing the exposure in real time, you can fine-tune your settings to achieve the desired brightness and contrast. This feature greatly reduces the need for guesswork, helping you capture well-exposed images with confidence. Mirrorless cameras are renowned for delivering exceptional image quality. Their large sensors capture more light and detail, resulting in sharper and more vibrant photos. Advanced image processing technologies further enhance color accuracy and dynamic range, ensuring that every shot looks true to life. In challenging low-light environments, mirrorless cameras excel by minimizing noise and preserving clarity, making them a top choice for photographers seeking outstanding results in any condition. Burst shooting performance is a key feature in modern mirrorless cameras, allowing photographers to capture a rapid sequence of images in quick succession. This capability is especially valuable when photographing fast-moving subjects, such as athletes or wildlife, where timing is critical. Many mirrorless models now offer impressive burst rates, often exceeding 10 frames per second, ensuring that users can select the perfect moment from a series of shots. The combination of advanced autofocus systems and high-speed image processing further enhances the ability to freeze action with clarity and precision. Mirrorless cameras offer a range of advantages that make them a standout choice for photographers of all levels. Their compact design, advanced autofocus systems, and impressive image quality provide both convenience and performance. With faster shooting speeds and real-time previews, users can capture moments with greater accuracy and creativity. As technology continues to evolve, mirrorless cameras are leading the way, making them a smart investment for anyone passionate about photography. Upgrading to a mirrorless system can help you unlock new possibilities and continue your photographic journey with confidence.